Hey, I'm back here with Ryan again, and again, Ryan is from Alanod, and we were just talking earlier about how you're taking your products into the automotive industry. And I know I just got a new car a couple of years ago, and boy, it has some flashy, nice, design on the inside, on the dashboard, and that's some of the things you guys offer in terms of the decorative materials.
We do. We like to call our materials semi-finished. So our focus is to try to reduce post-forming operations for the customers. And so what's unique about our process and a coil-to-coil continuous operation is we're able to offer continuous quality of the surface. So you won't see variation in our surface, in the finish, or in the quality in the gloss. So we start with our anodizing operation. So master coil comes in, it's a premium quality. If we're talking about it's all anodized quality. That's where our process starts. If it's our mirror product, which is our Deco Prime 4, that is our high gloss mirror finish. Basically would replace chrome. Okay. Chrome trim, or even the window surrounds on the exterior would be our Deco Prime 4. That product is a high purity alloy, has to be, in order to get the finish that we need. But then we also have brushed finishes, semi-specular finishes, matte finishes, anywhere in between, and these are all rolled in finishes. They come into us as master coil and then go into a flash anodize operation, very thin, about a 2 to 3 micron layer of anodize, and that's to provide color and to minimize the etching to the surface, so it retains the integrity and the beauty of that rolled in surface finish, and then provides also a bonding agent, a bonding layer for the PVD, physical vapor deposition process.
I know in my car, there's some pieces that have like writing on it. So can it take print? Can you print on your metal?
Absolutely. So one of the unique things about Alanod and our semi-finished products is that our products are printable. That can either be done through our anodizing process, or it can be done through a primer that we could put on the front side of the surface. On the back side of the surface, we also offer primers for bonding in back injection. So after forming, typically for automotive interior applications, there would be a back injection process through injection molding, and we offer a primer that would bond that surface to the plastic. So the other fact that I wanted to mention was, because our coating layers are so thin, and the lacquers that we use, we are able to offer a formable product. So our product can be formed, it can be brake formed up to a 4T bend. It can actually be drawn to up to a 10 millimeter depth without crazing the surface. So this is something that's unique with Alanod surfaces and qualities, and would result in not having to post-anodize or post-coat after forming.
So whatever vision an engineer or designer may even have for what it's going to look like on the inside of this car, so you guys can probably help out, it sounds like.
We can, through the different surfaces and colors that we offer, but also it goes even a step further. We can offer perforated surfaces through our laser micro perforation process, through partners that we have for that would offer backlighting. Really neat for mood lighting, but also for directional indicators. And it looks like a solid piece of metal until it's backlit. So that's really cool. Really neat. And then we also offer our in-grain molding macro structure that we can develop in combination with injection molding, where we put let's call it a foil thickness of our metal into the injection tooling, and it can pick up the 3D geometry structure in the tool and impress that upon the metal surface as it gets back injected.
Oh,
so
wow.
I can pick that up, and that way you'll have a really unique surface that's metal on the top surface.
Funny enough, I'm looking at our background here, and it's pretty much anything from something like this to that. you guys can do it.
That's right. That's absolutely correct.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, if somebody's interested in finding out more, what would be the best next step for them?
Best way to get a hold of us, and so we can reach out immediately, would be our website, www.alanod-westlake.com, and we'll get right back in touch with you.
Great. Thanks for sharing with us, Ryan.
Thank you, Randy.